So Youth Beauty reached out to me and asked me to review their 13x6 lace front water wave wig. So when I received my package, the hair came in a cute garment bag along with a brush, a wig, an elastic band, and 2 wig combs. This is virgin Brazilian hair with a water wave curl pattern. The hair density is 180% and it is 24 inches long. Since it's a lace front, that means you get 6 inches of Swiss lace from hairline to crown and 13 inches of lace from ear to ear. The rest of the cap has a standard machine weft construction. The lace is soft and it comes in a standard medium brown color. As you can see, it also has 4 combs attached since you don't need to glue down the wig. Now before I do anything to this wig, I wanted to show you that it comes with baby hairs and the knots are not bleached. So at this point, I've cut off all the extra lace in the front and I'm using a concealer to define my part. I like doing this because it makes my wigs look more natural. Also, tweezing the hairline is completely up to you. Once you get the wig, you can customize it the way you want to. I didn't tweeze my hairline and I think it still looks great. Right now, I'm just spraying the hair with water and applying a Daily Defense conditioner along with Alakay Naturals Wake Me Up Curl Refresher. The products glide on the hair easily and the hair does not get tangled while combing through it. One thing that I did notice about this hair while finger combing it is that it does shed. The hair is not coming out in clumps, but I wanted to let you know that you will get a little shedding while you're styling the wig. Overall, I like this wig. It's a great protective style, the package is gorgeous, the wave pattern is nice, the hair is easy to manage, it does not tangle. So if you're interested in purchasing this unit, I'll leave the link in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.